Welcome. This video introduces the Foot and Mouth Disease Total Diagnostic System from Median Diagnostics. Foot and mouth disease is a high-consequence livestock disease that affects cattle, pigs, and other cloven-hoofed animals. It often causes blisters on the mouth, teats, or hooves, and high fever. In such cases, the farmer must immediately report the situation to the local quarantine agency. A quarantine officer or veterinarian is then sent to the farm. Upon arrival, the officer collects samples from the suspected animals. Some of the collected samples can be tested at the farm using the FMD Antigen rapid kit. This allows a rapid point-of-care test using vesicle fluid or tissue from around the vesicle. If the kit shows a positive result, the animals must be quarantined immediately. Movement of both animals and staff is restricted while waiting for the confirmatory test results from the diagnostic laboratory. Next, we introduce the FMD NSP Antibody Rapid Kit. It can be used on-site with whole blood, serum, or plasma samples to detect NSP antibodies from natural infection. Positive results should be followed by animal isolation and confirmatory testing for natural infection. The collected samples are stored in appropriate containers and sent to a standard diagnostic laboratory for FMD testing, regardless of the rapid test result. FMD diagnostic methods mainly consist of gene tests and antibody tests. First, let's introduce the gene testing kit. Samples suspected of foot and mouth disease are first tested with premix A to check for FMD infection. If a sample tests positive with premix A, premix B is used to identify the major serotypes. Then, using premix C and premix D, the test can distinguish the detailed genotypes for FMD serotypes O and A. Next are the antibody test kits. FMDV NSP Antibody ELISA kit is used to detect NSP antibodies from natural infection. FMDV SP Antibody ELISA kits are used to monitor SP antibodies after vaccination. After an outbreak of foot and mouth disease, environmental samples are collected to check for the presence of the foot and mouth disease virus. These samples are then tested for FMD antigens using premix A. Median Diagnostics is setting the standard for diagnosing foot and mouth disease. Thank you for watching.